Hey guys, Sheila here from Media Vandals. It is Friday and we're just wrapping up for the week, and I wanted to have a conversation with you about a book that I recently read. Now I read a lot of books and there are usually business books, but there's one that really stood out to me, Building a Story Brand, and it's by Donald Miller. It is about clarifying your message so your customers will listen. This is available on Amazon, and I will link to it in the video description. In this book, Donald Miller talks about how traditionally businesses will talk all about themselves on their website. Most businesses will talk about, I've been in business for 35 years and the company was started by my grandfather and I have all these awards and I'm the expert at everything and I have all these certificates. But the problem with this is your customers don't really care. They don't care if your grandfather started the company. They don't care how many certificates you have. They want to know how you are going to help them solve their problem. And through the power of story, you can actually speak to your customers better. And then in the process, you will actually convert more visitors into actual paying customers. So he has something in the book he calls the SB7 Framework. And the framework is basically a character who is your customer, has a problem, and this is the internal and the external problem the customer has. Their toilet stopped working. It makes them feel frustrated because they have company coming over for Thanksgiving dinner and there's only one toilet in the house. So that person meets a guide, and the guide is you. You are the guide. You as the guide give them a plan, which is how you're going to help them solve that problem. And then you call them to action. You know, do the thing that we're telling you to do, and it will help you avoid failure, which is if you don't do the thing we're telling you to do, then your toilet's not going to get fixed. You're going to have all these guests over for Thanksgiving dinner, and no one will be able to use the washroom, and everyone will be uncomfortable. And by doing the thing, it ends in success. And success is how the customer's life is happier after they've purchased your product or service. These are the 7 universal story points used in movies and TV and just in story in general. It's been around for 1,000 years of people telling stories that make it interesting, and how you can translate this into changing your website to speak to your customers through story, and how that will actually help clarify your message and turn more visitors into customers. So again, the book is Building a Story Brand. I'm linking to it below. If you are a new business, if you're an established business, if you're planning on building your own website, if you're planning on having an agency build your website, I highly recommend starting with reading this book before you do anything. It's going to change your outlook on websites. You're going to look at things differently. It's going to blow your mind. Highly recommend it. Love this book. So one more time, Building a Story Brand. I'm not getting paid to pimp this book. I just loved it so much. Go check it out. Have a fantastic Friday. Hope you enjoy your weekend. Leave me a comment down below if you've read the book or if you plan on reading the book and how it has worked, or you plan on using it in your next redesign. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers.